So if you are a new iPhone user and if you don't know what is back tap in iPhone and how to use it, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now let's understand what is back tap first. See, it's a feature where if you tap at the back side of your iPhone, it will perform a specific action. For example, if I double tap at the back side of my iPhone, it will take screenshot. So this is the screenshot you can see, right? And if I triple tap at the back side of my iPhone, it will open camera application. So this is the action I have used for back tap feature, but you can change it. Now, where can you set up back tap? For that, just simply go to settings option. Once you go to settings, go in accessibility and over here select touch option. Now at the bottom you get an option of back tap. So make sure you select back tap, and on the next page you get two options. One is double tap and next is triple tap. For double tap you can choose a specific action. In my case I have selected screenshot, but if you want to use any other action, like if you want to use app switcher or camera or control center, or else you want to activate dark mode on double tap, then you can select that. So now you can see I have selected dark mode, and currently you can see dark mode is off. So if I double tap, what will happen is it will turn on dark mode, and if I double tap once again, it will turn off dark mode. So you can choose whichever action you want for double tap, and you can do the same thing for triple tap. Now in my case, if I select control center over here, now if I triple tap, you can see it will open control center. So yes, you can choose whichever action you want for double tap and triple tap. So I hope you might have understood what back tap is and how to use it. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.